All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff that's going on. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, a lot of things are going on. Everybody's hearing about it. There's new platforms that are listing it. What's going on in Dogelon Mars? We're going to give you updates, news, and what is happening. So all kinds of good stuff. Buckle in because it's going to be an awesome episode. We'll give you a little price prediction at the end too. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person on this planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, be able to read the charts on cryptocurrency, maybe even one day get some cryptocurrency. You can always head over to Burger King. They're doing a crypto giveaway. If you don't want to buy your cryptocurrency, just go to Burger King and maybe you can win some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarket, Dogelon is the 114th cryptocurrency on the planet right now as we speak. So it's at 114. It's down about almost 12%, 11.89% in the last 7 days. It's down about 5.99 cents, 6% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in there, and a 16 and 11. So right now, Dogelon is down slightly. Before we actually go into the charts, we want to look at a couple different things. Right here, crypto.com app listed Dogelon Mars. So now, by Elon at true cost on crypto.com. It's a new listing. So this is a new place where people can get Dogelon Mars. It says Dogelon Mars is now listed on crypto.com, joining the growing list of 150 supported cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, just to name a few. Dogelon is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It is not just a meme coin, but a real project with stated mission to become the first, and are you ready for this, interplanetary currency. They're not even kidding about this. They plan on having Dogelon Mars be the first cryptocurrency for interplanetary travel. So no matter which planet you're on, you can literally use Dogelon Mars as currency. Pretty neat that they're already thinking about this. Okay, again, the mission is to become the first interplanetary currency that can be used for paying for the transport of settlers to Mars. The developers are also aiming to develop trustworthy, community-based coins by encouraging Dogelon Mars community to airdrop ELON tokens to victims of crypto scams and other rug pull scams. Crypto.com app users can now purchase ELON at true cost USD at nearly 7 million merchants globally using Crypto.com Visa card. So pretty neat here, everybody. You can get a Visa card. You can use your cryptocurrency. I just think it's awesome that there's another new listing that Dogelon Mars is listed on Crypto.com. Another big thing right here, Dogelon Mars token to ever grow further, a hyper-deflationary token. So take a look at this real quick. It says Dogelon Mars, a cryptocurrency named after Elon Musk, recently surged on a wave of social media hype and retail enthusiasm. According to DogelonMars.com, developers intend for the currency to be the first. They're going to be the first first interplanetary currency. So that's pretty cool. We know that when we're in space, literally, how much Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency do you have? So over here at the Twitter account, just wanted to show you, Dogelon is now listed on Crypto.com. Time flies when you're having fun. In just 1 month, we accomplished so much. It's crazy to think we're only just getting started. So Dogelon is listed on Crypto.com, everybody. Also right here, StealthEX.io. Elon is now listed on StealthEX.io. Apart from having the best ticker in crypto game, Dogelon Mars is now a solid token that grew 4,000% since its October debut. Holy, more good stuff on Dogelon Mars. And last but simply not least, Simple Swap. It says Elon is now available on our platform. Dogelon Mars aims to become the first interplanetary currency that would be used by all the people in the crypto galaxy. So yeah, pretty good stuff going on with Dogelon. So Dogelon's getting listed on crypto.com. It's getting listed on that. It's getting listed on this. It's up 4,000% since its inception of becoming a cryptocurrency. Its goal is to become the first interplanetary cryptocurrency. So when we're in outer space, we can make sure we have cryptocurrency. Dogelon, definitely liking you. Again, over here at Coin Market, taking a look at everything. So it looks like Dogelon is going down slightly. In the last 7 days, it kind of peaked, and it's going down a little bit, and it's going down. I think with all these different listings, definitely as more and more people hear about the Dogelon Mars, and again, interplanetary currency, this is a big thing. I mean, we definitely need to have currency while we're in outer space and stuff. The circulation right now, there's only 56% of the circulation in circulation. So with that, what's our price prediction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I just see it sometime in 2022 having 4 zeros. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But I mean, with all this hype and everybody hearing about Dogelon Mars, and it's getting listed on this and getting listed on that and everything else, come on, everybody. Dogelon is not going to the moon. It's going to Mars. Let's head over to the website. Here we go. We got Dogelon flying in onto the screen. We got the little Dogelon sitting there in the spacesuit, just having a good old time. Can't you picture yourself in a spacesuit? Don't forget, when you have your currency, it's going to be Dogelon. So let's find out a little bit about Dogelon. Well, in the year 2420, a young Dogelon Mars was born onto the beautiful red sands of Mars, where he would live peacefully along with his family. Together, they would work hard to develop the expanding colony into a hub that would bring prosperity to all life across the galaxy. This development continued until the dreaded arrival of the Annihilators would chase the young Dogelon Mars backwards through time and space, where he would find refuge on the planet Earth and begin his new journey. Well, Dogelon knew in order to assist with the evolution of mankind, he would first need to establish intergalactic currency. Now you heard that's the mission statement. We got to make sure we have cryptocurrency for when we're out in outer space. One that could be used by all the people of civilizations that could integrate with the space age technology of the coming era. Then with all his friends he met along the way, he would seek to recognize Mars and transform it into the hub of prosperity that it was always meant to be. As the journey across the universe was set to begin, he would leave the people on Earth with a final transmission. Here it is. I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me and let's reach the stars. Hey, everybody, pretty cool. How many cryptocurrencies are trying to take you to Mars? I mean, Dogelon Mars, I don't even know if you knew. It's actually named after the capital of Mars. Checking out the comics real quick. I think this is pretty interesting. Dogelon Mars #1. Now, we were just here the other day, everybody, and this was being sold for about $49. Take a look. It's not $49 anymore. It's $88. It's actually going up. So this Dogelon comic a few days ago was $49, and now it's $88, this NFT. So definitely, if you're looking to get this comic, go ahead and make an offer. You click it. It's on Open Seas. I just think it's pretty neat. You can get a little Dogelon Mars comic for $88.14. Comic #2. Holy, this comic has been going up and up. This was listed at $45. Then it went up to $99. Take a look. It's $132, everybody, in the last week and a half. If you want to get this comic, you better go make an offer, because it just keeps going up and up. You click Make an Offer, and as you can see here, you click Make an Offer, your MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, any of these you can go ahead and connect to, and you can go ahead and get your Dogelon Mars comic too. So give us your thoughts of what you think of Dogelon Mars. I mean, it's only been out for a little bit, but it's all kinds of 4,000% growth since its inception. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. A lot of good stuff. I mean, interplanetary travel, and we want to make sure we have cryptocurrency for when we're out in outer space. This coin does not want to go to the moon. Everybody wants to go to the moon. This wants to go past the moon, way into Mars, and obviously into another galaxy and stuff like that. Mars is just the beginning. So give us your thoughts, what you think of Dogelon. We're going to head over to Robinhood real quick. So on Robinhood, I just wanted to show you Litecoin right here is at $246. It's actually dropping slightly right this second. We just talked about Litecoin. Want to throw Bitcoin up here. It's actually right now 61,700. It's on a slight downturn right now. The thing I like about Robinhood is it's very easy to use down here with your 1 day, your 1 week. If you wanted to see what Bitcoin was doing a month ago, you can kind of move this anywhere, and it shows you the date and time where it was at. So I think it's a nice feature. What Bitcoin was doing 3 months ago, it was 48,000. What Bitcoin was doing a year ago, the Bitcoin was at 19,000. December 7th, 2020. Literally, Bitcoin was at 19,000. So kind of cool. You can kind of see that information real quick right here by clicking it. And a little feature of Ethereum. Ethereum's at 43.52 right now. It is also going down slightly. But again, where was this coin 3 months ago? I mean, the coin was at 3,200. I mean, it's literally 4,300. That's fantastic. Let's go back a year ago. I mean, Ethereum was 1,100 a year ago, January 5th. Let's go right here. November 25th, Ethereum, holy cow. A year ago, Ethereum was like $516. So where has it went in a year? It's went up, up, up. You can get all this information right here on Robinhood. Pretty nice. I know Shiba Inu, they're still trying to get Shiba on the Robinhood. I mean, there's 1.6 million people on a list, all kinds of good stuff. So with that, a little Ethereum talking about, a little Litecoin. Just checking out some stats on the Robinhood, very nice. Again, Dogelon Mars, pretty cool mission. I mean, can you imagine in a few years if we're in Mars and we want to make sure we have our currency and we're getting paid in Dogelon? All kinds of good stuff. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day about 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring around 3 or 4 o'clock to you. And every once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 7 o'clock on Monday through Fridays if something's popping real good. So there's our schedule. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. We're trying to help everybody on the planet learn about cryptocurrency and understand it. So, hey, everybody, have a fantastic Tuesday.